Why does Autoshop Solutions write our own content? Your website's design can enhance your message, and an attractive design will dazzle your audience. But custom content, it can deliver the payday. Hi, I'm Deborah, Content Manager at Autoshop Solutions, an automotive digital marketing agency specializing in websites and internet marketing solutions. Today, I'm discussing the importance of custom content on your website. What exactly is custom content? Custom content is informative content that speaks to a targeted audience, and it's the key to productive online marketing and the success of your business. It can be landing pages, blogs, social posts, or video scripts that help attract and retain your audience. Custom content is persuasive, engaging, and focused on your customers' needs. It provides a call to action and includes well-stocked keywords. Custom content defines your brand, helps reach new customers naturally, and targets a specific audience. Your content helps drive traffic to your site, it builds trust, and showcases you as an expert in your field. It can draw attention to your business, increase customer retention, nurture leads, and set your business apart from the competition. Custom content specific to your distinct audience enables you to make an impression and sets you up for success. Writing custom content for your website is crucial to implementing successful content marketing strategies. Custom content helps your search rankings. Use good research tactics and choose your keywords wisely to build your authority with search engines that aim to please the audience. Relevant content gets the attention for SEO rankings and ultimately your success. Custom content not only shows off your knowledge in the industry, but it also allows you to develop a following. Custom content gets noticed, and it highlights you as an authority. Quality content increases your followers on social media pages, and it helps drive more potential customers to your website. Simply put, content is king. We've said it all before. Build your custom-rich content. Build your sales. Build your business. If you integrate all the different digital marketing avenues into your business, you will get your payday, and we are here to help. Thanks for watching. For more Autoshop Academy videos, please visit our website or subscribe to our YouTube channel.